Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sign out of the App Store and sign back in. An iPhone that can't download apps may signify that something is wrong with your Apple ID. If the connection between your iPhone and the Apple App Store is disrupted, signing out and signing back in may fix it.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Clear the Google Play Store cache if your Android device won't download or install apps even after all these checks. It might be worth clearing the store cache. Select all apps in Google Play Store. Select Storage and Clear Cache. Repeat for Google Play Service and Google Services Framework if present.
Let's help you make your mark.
Answer: F. If those apps were originally purchased with that other Apple ID, then you cannot update them with your Apple ID. You will need to delete them and purchase them with your own Apple ID. Purchases are forever tied to the Apple ID used at the time of original purchase and download.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A lot of the time when apps are stuck waiting or not downloading on your iPhone, there's an issue with your Apple ID. Every app on your iPhone is linked to a specific Apple ID. If there's an issue with that Apple ID, apps may get stuck. Usually, signing out and back into the App Store will fix the problem.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.